How to break bad beauty habits. Simple changes can give your look a boost. Following these steps will help improve your appearance exponentially. Breaking bad face habits. Refrain from touching your face. You use your hands every day, touching all sorts of things. Whatever you touch is spread to your face, so be sure that you wash your hands whenever necessary. If you have developed a habit of touching your face, avoid any temptation. If you have an itch, for example, use the inside of your clothes instead, just be sure they are clean. Don't lick your lips. The drying saliva ultimately causes chapped lips. Lip balm and regular water consumption will remedy chapped lips. Don't rub your eyes. Skin around your eyes is very delicate and thin, so rubbing your eyes can cause inflammation, and in severe cases pink eye. Use a tissue or the tip of your finger to relieve any irritation gently, ensure cleanliness. Leave pimples alone. Pimples are clogged pores filled with bacteria, so touching them will irritate your skin and may scar your face. Over-the-counter products could work, but the best way to clear pimples without the synthetics is to dab a small amount of tea tree oil over the pimple once every day. This can greatly reduce inflammation, thus, making the pimple less noticeable. If you habitually sleep in cold temperatures, turn up the temperature a few notches every day, or until you get used to the accruing temperatures. If you still need the cold, remember to slap on body lotion every night and wear socks on your feet every other day before sleeping. Breaking bad hair habits. Use fabric-covered hair bands to tie your hair. Plain rubber bands tear and split your hair. Avoid heated cosmetics. Using heat severely dries your hair, which can cause split ends or frizz. Air dry your hair whenever possible. Before using any heated cosmetics, you should apply heat protection serum to your hair. Heat protection serum will not only protect your hair cuticles, but it can also give your hair a healthy shine. Don't wash your hair every day. This is one of the easiest ways to end up with dry frizzy hair, as constantly washing your hair can strip your hair of its natural oils. Although it's okay for those with short hairstyles to wash their hair every day, people with longer hair should consider washing your hair less frequently. People with shoulder-length hair should wash their hair every other day. Those with hair longer than that should wash their hair every third day.